Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all will be quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah and will enjoying your days. So today, on the request of some friends and viewers, sorry, I am making the video on the topic of longitudinal profile with the easiest way without any lisp, because uh, lisp is not available to my friends, so they said to me that please make a video on longitudinal profile in the easiest and simple way. So today this is my topic according to my knowledge, and if there is any mistake or any suggestions from you, then I will welcome all the suggestions from your friends. So now let's begin. As you can see that this is our data, this is our RD, this is station, this is interval of 10 meters, and this is N.G.L, and this is N.G.L multiplied by 10. Why? I will explain. And this is our formula. You can write all the formula, and if you want, I will perform in front of you. What we have to do just equal sign and concatenate formula. Here we will write PL, then we will come down, and here we will press space bar, then it will come again, and here we will write after space bar, we will write here station, this one, then again here comma, and then in this cell this is N.G.L multiplied by 10, this area, and go by tab, space bar again, and then again by tab. Now station, second station, second cell, then again comma, and then upper next column, then again go by tab, and now NSL, the second cell, and press OK. You can see that our formula have been drawn. Just drag it to all. That's it. You have to find your minimum N.G.L level. This is the formula, is equal to minus min into D2, which is our cell, this is, and these two dots, and again this cell. So this will come minimum level, and from minimum level you have to go down for datum line approximately 5 meters, 4 meters, or 3 meters, minimum 3 meters down. So this is my datum. We have to go down from minimum level 3, 4, or 5 meters. So this is our drawing. As you can see that this is our datum line, 500, 555, you see, and I have written N.G.L and station, and you see datum from datum, this is 556, 57, and this is all, and this is our, I have drawn all the drawings because time is precious, and to avoid that too long video, so I have made all this. Now I delete this area, and how to put First of all, what you have to do, just here you have to go in tool and new UCS origin. So this is already origin, but for you I am making again here. Now this is origin as 0 0. Now if I will paste this all data, this will come anywhere in else, anywhere else in drawing. For example, this is C, and if you paste here your data, you see our data has been drawn in a very far. You see, this is our data, but our template is where is our template is very far, because this is on the UCS and this is our area. To avoid this problem, we have to go again here. You might be watching some problems because of the recording software. Some lines are missing, but it's actually okay. No line and no text is missing. So again we have to go here, UCS and origin. Now here we will write -0, comma, and -500,550. Why 500,550? I tell you, and press OK. Now if you see by ID command to here, you see our X is 000 and Y is 550. 550 actually why? Because you will say that our datum is 555, but why we are here on 5,550? Because I have multiplied here all the data or the N.G.Ls by 10. Why? Because my N.G.L on longitudinal base or 10 meters, and in upper way I have drawn this template on a scale 10. So I have to multiply this N.G.L on 10, and if you multiply this N.G.L by 10, so this will come. So you have seen the formula already. Now our template is where? Now our template, you see, now our template is okay, and UCS are now very far. Now if you, I have shown you already the area. Now just go to your data, control, and just paste it to your command bar. You see that all the data have been imported, because this is our yellow, this is the N.G.L is in yellow color, so we have to draw this area in a yellow color. So this is a very easiest way. What you have to do, you have to draw in the beginning. I am talking about in beginning. Just you can draw from here to here 70 meter or 60 meter line. Then you can draw from here anywhere from this line. You can draw this datum line according to your profile length. You draw your line 200 meters. I have drawn 200 meters. Then come down take offset 20 meters to write here N.G.L and stations, and make offset of this line 10 meter each, because I have written 10 meter offset. You see, this is 10 meter, and for scale I have taken offset from this line, from this bottom datum line 10 meters above the maximum level. So this is our maximum level and this is our minimum level. This will be minimum level. So this is our template, and this is a very easy and a simple way. If you have any question, any doubt about this drawing, about this whole work, that how did I do this work, you can ask me very frequently, and write your questions and suggestions about this profile in comment section. And inshallah, in the next video I will tell you about offsets, how to measure offsets, or how to draw offsets in GPS by a line method. So till next video, I'll say goodbye to you all friends, and please don't forget to like this video if you have liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, and I will wait for your suggestions and comments. So assalamu alaikum and goodbye.